Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the phone. So to get started you will need a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device, but if you can't find it you can also use a paper clip. As you can see I have one really deformed here. So let's just pop out the tray, which looks to be somewhere, oh there we go, on the upper left side of the phone. As you can see, there we go. Once you push it in, the tray should pop out. And from here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm gonna occupy one of each. There we go. And from there simply insert it back into the device. Now this should bring up the SIM pin, because I do have a pin on my SIM card, so I will confirm. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. So once you unlock your SIM card, that is it. Basically the card is working, as you can see, and you can also check the SD card is working as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.